I'm Nick Love. That's a real name, not a fake. I'm 26 years old and I'm from Markham, Ontario. And I'm trying to be the next Cineplex pre-show host, part of Casting Call 2015. So, what makes me the ideal pre-show host? So that's really the question you're asking yourself here. Is this guy really got the chops? Does he have the chops? Are the pork chops ready? Well, for starters, I've spent the past 10 years working in the entertainment industry. I used to work at Cineplex. And to go on top of that, I'm part of Cineplex's field research team, which involves me going to every theater across the GTA and interviewing the guests, making sure they're having a great time. So what is my favorite movie? I probably have to say Walk Hard, the Dewey Cox story. Dewey Cox. Every once in a while I just do my Robert De Niro face. Sometimes I like to make my Robert De Niro face in front of children and see if they poop their pants. I feel like being a host has always been in my blood. In my high school career class, I was actually nominated to most likely grow up and become a TV host. Come to think of it, I used to want to be an actor. Yeah, I even had an acting coach. You might have heard of him, Willem Dafoe.
We'll start the ass kissing with you.
To me, a good pre-show host is someone who knows the audience. Interviewing celebrities. I'm cool with it. I've met them before, I'll meet them again. During the pre-show, people are mostly just getting their seats, getting comfortable, getting their popcorn, sipping on a drink, talking to their friends. So here's my chance to actually come and talk to you. And I'm trying to make you a more informed, happier person. This is what I'm here to do, and I'm here to do it for you. Make me the next Cineplex pre-show host, because I would do a damn filthy good job.